To get started, open your Instagram app. Although we won't be using the app itself for this, you'll need to access it initially. Once you're on the Instagram app, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner. After clicking on your profile picture, you'll be directed to your profile page. Here, you should locate the three bars in the top right corner and select your activity, which is usually the third option down on the menu. Now scroll down until you see download your information at the bottom. Instagram stores all your data, and by clicking on this option, you can access it. Follow the prompts to send a copy of your data to your email address, and you'll need to enter your Instagram password as a security measure. After the step, you'll see a confirmation page stating download requested, and Instagram will take up to 48 hours to send you the data. Once you receive the data, you can access your deleted messages and other account information. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.